Yep.
Hi, welcome to Fantastic Feathers. How may I help you with your bird?
No, I'm just looking, you know. A little. Oh, look at the cute little thingy. Hello. Bag. Oh. Hello. Help me. Hello. Help me. You talk?
Stupid broad.
Help me, please. Save yourself. I like this one. Hello. Help me. Hello. Hello.
I caught her in the wild.
Really? Hello? Can you talk?
Stupid broad. You want to see her from the live?
Can I let her out?
Let me get the key.
Gee.
Watch out.
What's wrong with it?
It has crazy sociopath.
Please, help me! Oh!
Eat your food. Yep, that's how she is. Her hair, I have to wash it every 2 days because it really smells.
No. But it's so cute. What is it? Is it a man?
A girl, stupid. It's a
I guess I'm big.
It's a warthog macaw.
Aww, that's the very kind. Hello.
You want to get in the cage with her? She's very friendly.
Okay.
I will.
Polly want a cracker? Huh?
Give my cracker, you dumb dog.
You want to get in the cage with her?
Sure. Ow. Bad bud.
Get in.
I'll keep you company, okay? Okay. Okay.
Stupid.
I want to be there. Look what you did, you stupid jerk! No, we're both trapped in here. Let me in that cage.
I got a phone. I just called my agent, you know.
I'm gonna get them.
You know. What's his number? What's the number for 911?
There's no service.
Oh, just call 911 and get us out of
What's
here.
the number